In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the 96 LED red light therapy knee wrap. First, charge the power bank. The power bank comes with a black cable that has a USB connector and a micro B connector. To charge it, insert the micro B connector into the micro B connector port. Now you got to make sure you have the proper orientation or it won't fit in. It's got to fit in snugly. Then insert the USB end into a USB wall plug. This does not come with it. You need to get one of these on Amazon. Most people have them lying around their house to charge their phones. And you stick it in there, plug it in, and charge it. The power bank is fully charged, 4 blue dots like that. Now these knee wraps, sometimes they come with a connector that has a pin, male end, and some of them have a USB-C end. Looks like that. Doesn't matter because the wrap will come with a corresponding female port. For this one, it has the receptacle for the male pin. I'll stick it in there snugly, like so. Make sure it's all the way in. Take your charged power bank and insert the USB end of the cable into the power bank, like that. And when you do that, power button will turn green. And you'll notice the lights aren't on yet. If it does not turn green, try pressing the button on the side of the power bank. So while the button is green, you press it once. And what you just did was turn on the 660 nanometer red light LEDs. Now, for each one of these LEDs, there's 3 emitters, 3 of them. One 660 nanometer red light emitter, call it a chipset, and 2 850 infrared. So again, you press it once and that turns on just the 660. Remember the light's green. Press it a second time, you'll see it get a little lighter. That engages the 850 nanometer infrared. Press it a third time while it's green. And you'll notice that you won't see the red lights, but only the 850 nanometer infrared is on, even though you can't see it because it's invisible to the human eye. So this will get hot, even without the red. I just don't see any need to just use that mode. So in most of the cases, just press the green button twice. That'll turn on all the LEDs. Now, while the light is green, you could put it into pulsed mode by pressing the green button and holding it down for a couple of seconds. Now what you did was you put it into pulse mode. Again, the first cycle is just a 660. Press the blue button again. And now you've got all of them, the 660 and the 850 nanometers. Go ahead and put the power bank in the pocket like that. I'll show you how to put it on. Just go like that. All right. And there you have it. I recommend, even though it's portable and you could walk around, probably want to sit down and relax a little. And bend your knee. Bend your knee a little bit, open that space up, and let that red light go inside your knee. It's a good idea to have 2 or 3 of these power banks fully charged so you could swap them out if you're going out and about and you want to get treatment throughout the day. Maybe keep some in your car. And the other thing is that you could buy a higher capacity power bank that could last maybe 2 or 3 times longer. So that's another option. If you run into any problems, review the video. Usually the most common problems is perhaps the plug wasn't pressed in all the way, the power bank is out of battery, you might have a faulty power bank that's not charging or holding its charge. Feel free to shoot us an email at support@pulsedemf.com. Let us know if you're experiencing any further issues. We can see if we could try to resolve that for you. So that's it. Hope you enjoy your product, and thanks for watching.